Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see Microsoft Defender Antivirus in Windows. So Microsoft Defender Antivirus is available in Windows 10 and Windows 11 and in versions of Windows Server. Microsoft Defender Antivirus is a major component of the next generation protection in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. This protection brings together machine learning, big data analysis, in-depth threat resistance research, and the Microsoft Cloud infrastructure to protect devices or endpoints in your organization. Microsoft Defender Antivirus is built into Windows, and it works with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint to provide protection on your device and in the cloud. For more antivirus capabilities, Microsoft Defender Antivirus capabilities, you can look for the Microsoft documentation. It will talk about compatibility with other antivirus products, Microsoft Defender antivirus processes and services, which include Microsoft Defender Antivirus Core Service, Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service, Microsoft Defender Antivirus Network Real-Time Inspection Service, and Command Line Utility, and other services as well. Then you will read more about active mode, passive mode, and disabled mode. And now we'll see how to check the state of Microsoft Defender Antivirus on your device. Okay, so I have a test machine on which we will log in. Okay, I'll log on to the test machine. That I created in my tenant, in my lab tenant. It will take me to the desktop. Okay, now this device is already onboarded to my Defender for Endpoint tenant. I'll show you. I'm on the Defender portal, and if you will see under assets and you go on devices, you will see this Acer VM onboarded onto the Defender for Endpoint. I've onboarded it through a local script that you get under the onboarding section. This is the device value shown here. I'll connect to my VM. Okay, now we will use the Windows Security app to check the status of Microsoft Defender Antivirus. I'll just type in security. I'll click on Windows Security. I'll go to Virus and Threat Protection. Okay, under Who's Protecting Me, click on Manage Providers. The page you're trying to access. So in here you will see the name of your antivirus anti-malware solution on the security provider page. I think it's not installed here. And now if you want to set up Microsoft Defender Antivirus on Windows Server, you should have Defender for Endpoint Plan 1 or Plan 2, and you should have Windows Server 2019, 2022, 2016, 2012 R2 minimum. It will require a Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. So first of all, we'll enable the interface. How do you do it? I will click on Install Roles and Features. So you go to the Server Manager of the server that you have. I'll just and roles and features. Next, features, local pool. So I'll go to the features. Windows Defender Antivirus installed. So I will just select the GUI for Windows Defender option. Why am I not seeing here? Okay, let me do it from PowerShell. Okay, I'll run the command and see if it works or not. Install name Windows GUI. Let's see what process is terminated due to Stack Overflow exception. Okay. Maybe it is because of the size of the VM, because I've selected very small, but I need to look at it. So if I want to check if this is enabled or not, I'll open up the command prompt. And I will see get service name WinDefend. It's a PowerShell command, my bad. Get service the status is running Windows Defender Antivirus service. And if you want to verify that the firewall protection is turned on or not, you just mention get service name MPSSVC. It is also running Windows Defender Firewall. And as an alternative to PowerShell, you can use command prompt to verify the Microsoft Windows Defender Antivirus service, which would be this command. You can see SC query win defend. The state is running, the type, and all that. You can update anti-malware security intelligence as well. To get your regular security intelligence updates, the Windows Update Service must be running. And if you use update management service like WSUS or Windows Server Update Services, make sure Defender Antivirus security intelligence updates are approved for the computers you manage. So by default, Windows Update does not download and install updates automatically on Windows Server 2019, 2022, 2016. But we can change that by using one of the methods, Windows Updates in Control Panel, Group Policy, or the Automatic Update options. And there is a feature called submission of the samples, which allows Microsoft to collect samples of potentially malicious software. To help provide continued and up-to-date protection, Microsoft researchers use these samples to analyze suspicious activities and produce updated anti-malware. Security intelligence, they collect program executable files such as .exe files and .dll files. Microsoft does not collect files that contain personal data like Microsoft Word documents and PDF files. Okay, so this was the overview that I wanted to present about Microsoft Defender Antivirus on Windows Server. We'll talk about exclusions on Microsoft Defender Antivirus exclusions on Windows Server as well, and some of the other exclusions based on file extension, folder locations, and processes. I hope this was beneficial for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.